Chapter 2, Lesson 3, Percents and Decimals. A recent survey tells the favorite subjects of students at Martin Middle School. Okay, write a fraction with a denominator of 100 to represent the percent for each fraction. Okay, so math was 28% or 28 of 100. Science, 21 out of 100, right? The percent just becomes the numerator. Art, 16. Social studies, 15. English, 13. And other was 7%. Write each fraction from exercise 1 as a decimal. Okay, so as a decimal, 0.28, 0.21, 0.16, right? We're just recopying these. Social studies, 0.15. English, 0.13. Okay, this is the only one that you might get stuck on. Be careful. It is not 0.7. Okay, that would be 70. That would be 70 out of 100. Okay? This is 0.07. So look back at exercise 2 and compare the decimals to percents. How to write a percent as a decimal. So I'd say take out the percent symbol, add 0. And the numerator. So basically, right, you get rid of the, let's try it, like I'll just write an example, like 28%. Okay, so you'd just take out this part, add in the 0 point, and then 28. Except for being careful, if it was something like, if it was 7%, right? You have to have 0.07. So watch out for place value. Okay? To write a percent as a decimal, divide by 100 and remove the percent sign. This is the same as moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. So you're going 1, 2, so 0.48. Another way to write a fraction as a decimal is to write the percent as a fraction, then write as a decimal. So 56 as a percent is 0.56, or either way, you can move the decimal point. 8 is 8 out of 100, so it's 0.08. Make sure you get that 0 in there. It's really important. 2%, 0.02. Very important. Okay. All right, so do these problems to find out. 32%, write as a decimal. 6%, write as a decimal. And C, 93%, write as a decimal. Okay, so pause the video and do those. All right. To write decimals as percents. To write a decimal as a percent, multiply by 100 and add the percent sign. Okay, so you're moving, this is the same as moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. And then, of course, adding back in the percent sign. So 0.38 is 38%. Okay, 0.2. Don't just say 2%, okay? Bad. Okay, this is bad. No, 2 out of 10 would be out of 100. You have to do it times 10, so it's 20%. Okay? Because remember, percents are always out of 100. Okay, so write as a percent, write as a percent, and be careful with this one. It's very similar here. Okay, write as a percent. Ooh. In the United States produces more corn than any other country, producing 0.4 of the total corn crops. Write 0.4 as a percent. Remember, it's not 4%, it's 40%. Okay, you're adding that imaginary zero here. Okay, 40%, not 4%. Be careful. All right, now for our drawing, I've been practicing doing a mummy. I'm going to do it down here. So first you got to get the head, and then sort of like an oblong sort of body. This is going to be the feet. But he's not like a scary mummy. He's just going to be like a friendly mummy. These are like the strips of fabric. Okay. This is like his face, and these will be his eyes. Shade this. Like add some strips there. Like they really wound him up, right? Got him all. It's got these strips. Maybe some sort of like gaps where they didn't really do a good job. And there you have it. Okay, I'll see you in class.